The woman was shocked to discover that her best friend's online acquaintance was actually a handsome and wealthy CEO. She immediately harbored thoughts of claiming him for herself, especially since they shared the same account. However, when she met the CEO in place of her best friend, the CEO immediately exposed her fake identity and told her he was interested in someone else. She was puzzled as to why the CEO would still meet with her after discovering her false identity. The CEO realized she thought he was toying with her and explained that deceiving her would bring him no sense of accomplishment. He simply wanted to learn about the other person's situation. She found the CEO quite intimidating. Both she and her best friend were psychology graduate students who were as close as sisters. However, her best friend always had her own unique thoughts, while she was like her best friend's shadow. Because of their close relationship, they shared an account and frequently chatted with an online friend in America, treating him as a subject for psychological research. But one day, while she was chatting with the CEO, she told him she was going to study in America. The CEO was extremely delighted and told her he would pick her up, even sending her his real name and photo. She had initially wanted to tell the CEO about sharing the account with her best friend, but after seeing the CEO's photo, she hesitated. Eventually, she gave the CEO her own name and flight information. To prevent her best friend from contacting the CEO and exposing herself, she deactivated the account. She then lied to her best friend, saying the account had been hacked. Her best friend didn't care about this, which greatly reduced her guilt. 3 days later, she said goodbye to her friends and flew to America. Upon landing, she immediately got into the luxury car arranged by the CEO. Looking at the expensive vehicle, she felt very happy. The assistant handed her a gift from the CEO, which she loved upon seeing it. Just as she was fantasizing about dating the CEO, reality dealt her a heavy blow. She had dressed up carefully and arrived at the restaurant the CEO had reserved. When ordering, the CEO deliberately asked where she was from. She said she was from Sichuan, and the CEO understood. The CEO then casually asked why she had switched to a new account for chatting. Feeling guilty, she explained that her account had been hacked. Through her various behaviors, the CEO already had his answer and unhesitatingly asked if she had something to hide. She was stunned. The CEO continued to expose her lies. The person who had chatted with the CEO was from Shanghai, while she claimed to be from Sichuan. Moreover, the account she later used to add the CEO was an old account. Most importantly, the person who chatted with the CEO had extremely strong analytical abilities. The CEO also learned that the person he had chatted with wasn't interested in luxury goods, while she was quite the opposite. She hurriedly explained that she hadn't stolen the account and said it was shared between her and her best friend, claiming she had also chatted with the CEO before. The CEO showed no consideration for her feelings. As the CEO was leaving, she asked him why he had still agreed to meet with her. The CEO said he just wanted to know whether her best friend was in a relationship. She realized she was no match for the CEO at all.